This has been my dream for a long time. I always wanted to have a space where I can create things. This video is about how to transform your garage into a professional studio. So simply, this video is how we did it, and mostly about not just the steps that we have taken, the things that we regret and the things that we just messed up with. The first thing is we had to agree on the color of the garage. I chose a paint that is ultra flat black. That means it absorbs any light, even no matter how bright. I still love it actually. I didn't regret that. We did almost 3 coats. You still can see the brushes marks and all of that, but I'm happy with that. The funny thing is when we painted the ceilings black, it disappeared. I love that. I was very happy. The downside in that, it's like a blackboard. Sometimes I literally feel like if I walk by the wall, it gets marked. And yeah, so even if your hand is clean and you just touch it very gently, you still get awful marks. Don't try to wipe it because that will make everything worse. So just leave it and live with it. About the light, we have 2 light points. I thought spotlight would be good, would be nice with the vibe, but I didn't want to invest a lot in that light because I knew that I had to depend on my photography and or videography lights. I just bought something budget-friendly from Bunnings and it does the work. However, installing that is a pain. You just need an electrician. It's a pain. That's what he said. He said it's a pain. Now we come to the floor. So the concrete color was a light gray, and it was nice. It actually balanced the darkness in this studio. However, I thought, no, I need to seal it because it's a concrete. So I thought to buy a paint to seal the concrete, and then I thought, maybe I need it a bit darker. The moment we painted that, I looked at it and I was about to cry because I hated it. It looked awful. First of all, the smell gave me headache, and then the color. It turned into a dark gray. It has a kind of a greenish or bluish shade in it. On top of all, it was shiny. Because it's a garage, I need to seal the doors. We bought these brushes and they are called garage door brushes, and they do a good job. So at the back of my mind, I was thinking of the floor, which was giving me anxiety. So I got this idea to repaint it into a lighter color. So we chose water-based paint. We've been told that you can't paint it water-based because it will be peeled. We found a solution. If you put a primer, you can then paint. So I chose a very light color. I chose white. And it's matte. I'm actually happy with how it turned out. So the first thing you could do, and I couldn't, so if you have a garage door that's a roller door, you can put the sliding door, which means you will have this big window, big natural light, and you can use the roller door to block the light. The other thing is, if I would go again, I would probably not paint all the walls black. Definitely the ceiling because I want that, but I would probably put a featured one behind me or the one this way, and then put the black into the garage door area to hide all of these trucks. Yes, definitely don't choose a dark floor, especially if you have the whole space is dark. Every light I used didn't work. Everything. You couldn't see anything. Okay, I hope this gives you a better idea of how to transform any space into a professional studio. I've listed all the products and studio gear I used in the description. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments. That's it for today. Hope you feel inspired. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.